Hello students, in this video I am going to teach you how to create a model that represents the different um, partitions or divisions of infractions. So let's start with this whole, and I'm going to make this one a half. So this is a rectangle. All I need to do is literally just fold it in half, and this is my first model. So to make this rectangle, I need two halves. So I'm going to put a half, or one half, and one half. If I want to represent it in a number, I would do 1/2, like this, because it takes two parts to make the whole rectangle. That's my first model. Now I'm going to cut this into fourths. So first I cut it in halves, then I fold it in half again, so now I have fourths. So I'm going to represent this as 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, and 1/4. If I wanted to write it in words, I would write the number one, the word one, and then fourths. So this takes four parts to make this whole. And then finally, my last one would be eighths. Here, I'm going to fold it in halves like I did before, then in halves, and then I'm going to also fold it in half again to make it into eighths. So here, this is what it would look like. So what we're doing here is we're creating our own concrete model of fractions representing halves, fourths, and eighths. Each one of these should have 1/8. So see, to put it back together, you need one. So what can you tell me? Well, you can't talk to me, but what do you notice as I have a half and I have fourths and I have eighths? What do you notice about each rectangle now? If you say that the bigger the piece, the less you need to make the whole, then you're correct. But the smaller the piece, the more pieces you need to make the whole. This is how you make a concrete model and explain the relationship between the size of the part and the number needed to make the whole.